Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to load 120 film into my medium format Mamiya 645-1000S. Now that we actually have the film, let's crack it open and load it into the Mamiya. So the ridges are just used to open. Flip this over. Right here there's a lever to move to the right, but first you have to push in this back button. Move it over. This opens. I'm going to pop this out. Move the camera over for now. We're going to take the spool of the last film I shot. Move it to this side. Lock that into place. Perfect. We're going to take the sticker off of the new Portra. Make sure you take the whole sticker off so that way when you go to develop it later it's not there. Here you're going to put this in, open this part, let it click. You're going to take this black part and you're going to roll it around the back side where the flat side is, and the black side should be up of the film. Here you're going to insert this little tab into the hole that's right here. And then here on the side there are these little wheel, and you're going to spin that like so to make sure the film is actually attached and is actually moving. As you can see here, I'm going to try to hold this on away so you can see me spinning. You can kind of now, once it's stuck, you can spin the wheel and also spin the plastic piece as well to make it much easier. And as you can see, this one is also turning. You'll know when it's ready to stop spinning when this arrow pops up. And you see here it says start, and the arrows have to line up with one another. Like so. So as now they're lined up, bring the camera back over. You're going to put this back in, and you're going to pinch this right here. Insert. Push when you hear the, you're done when you hear the click. Like so. Close the back up. Another click. Then the whole back is now all set. And next, you're going to spin this right here, the winder. And then you'll know when it's completely done when you spin it and it stops. That's when it's on the first frame. And here you can also see it's changing to go to frame 1. And there, it just stopped. You felt a little bit of less resistance. And the wheel will now stop here and is no longer spinning and is ready for shooting. It is on frame 1 and is ready to rock and roll. I hope you guys like that little montage I put together. I mean, I want to try something a little different, and I hope you guys also learned how to load the Mamiya 645. It is a fun camera to use, and it's honestly pretty cheap for what you can really get out of it. I recommend it for a beginner medium format camera, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Comment, like, and maybe even subscribe for future videos. I'll catch you guys next time.